problems. See, today we are going to learn this problem set. I will start with the problem set. I have taken the star mark question number 8. And the remaining you have to do it as homework. Now, see, find m. If m into m minus 12 x squared plus 2 into m minus 12 into x plus 2 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. It has real and equal roots. So, nature of the roots we have learnt. So, when real and equal roots are there, that means the discriminant value is equal to 0. That is b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So, we will start with solution. Comparing this quadratic equation, m minus 12 into x squared plus 2 into m minus 12 to x plus 2 equal to 0. Here a value, comparing this with the general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have got a value as m minus 12. Then b value is equal to as, this is full b, as 2 into m minus 12, this is full 2b, bx plus, c's value is equal to 2. Now, it is given that it has real and equal roots. So, when it has got real and equal roots, that means the discriminant value is equal to 0. Therefore, it is given that b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So, now put the values. What is b? b is 2 into m minus 12. The whole square we have to do for this. Whole square minus, in the bracket you put 4 into a. A is what? A is m minus 12. A is equal to m minus 12. M minus 12 into 4 into a into c. C value is 2. Now, so solve this. This is whole square, whole raised to square. So this coefficient 2 also must be squared. 2 2s are 4. This is in the form of a minus b. So expand this. A squared minus 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b. So 12 2s is 24. M we will get. Then plus b squared, square of 12. Square of 12. This we have got. Now, close the bracket. Minus this. 4 to the 8 we will multiply directly like this way into m minus 12. Now, what you have to do is that this quadratic equation, multiply it by 4. So, we get 4m squared. 4m squared minus 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 to the 8, 1, 9, 96m, then plus 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17, then 4 1s are 4. We got it like this way. Now, minus this in the bracket, multiply this. 8m minus 12 8s are 96. Now you open the bracket. 4m square minus 96m, then plus 4 into 144. 4 4s are 16, carry 1. Then 4 4 16 plus 1, 17, carry 1. 4 on the 4 plus 1, 5. So we got 576. Now open this bracket. We will multiply and plus open also. 8 into m is 8m, plus into minus is minus 8m. Then minus into minus, you will get plus here. 8 12 are 96. Now, we had taken this all like this way. This is equal to 0. I did not write, equal to 0. Now, we have got some similar terms. So, 4m square, see, minus 96m and minus 8m. Both have same sign, add and put the same sign. So 6 plus 8 is 14. Then carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 100 and put the same sign, 104m. Then plus, we have got this also same sign. So this also you add. 6 plus 6 is 12 here. Carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Carry 1. So this will give you 672 equal to 0. Now we have got it as a quadratic equation. But the all the terms are divisible by 4. So divide the equation by 4. So it is m square minus 4 2s is 8, 9 10, carry 2, 4 6 is 24, sorry, 4 6 are 24, so therefore it is 26m. Then plus, again now divide this by 4, 4 1s are 4, 5 6, 2 remains, so 4 6 are 24, yes, 25, 26, 27, 3 will remain, 4 8s are is 32. This is equal to 0. Now we got the quadratic equation in the simplest form. Now we will solve this quadratic equation. So it is, I just copy down here, m squared minus 26m plus 168 equal to 0. Now, factorize this 168. You should get middle term minus 26. So, 168. 4s are you take. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. Then take 3s are. 3 1s are 3. 4 carry 1. 3 4s are 12. Now, if you multiply this, 3 4s are is 12. 12 plus 14 is equal to 26, isn't it? So, we can 168, this is plus 168, is factorized as 12 minus 12 and minus 14. Minus into minus plus 12 into this, you will get this. So, the middle term is splitted as m squared minus 12m, then minus 14m and plus 168 is equal to 0. So from these two terms, m comes out as common. So only m remains minus 12. Then from these two terms, minus 14 will come out as common. Minus into minus is plus m. Then minus into plus is minus. Then 14 ones are 14. 56 2 is remainder So 14 twos are is 28. So 14 twos are 28. This is equal to 0. We have got the factors similar of same brackets. So this m minus 12, this is one factor. The other factor is m minus 14. This is equal to 0. So we have got this in this way. Therefore now m minus 12 is equal to 0 or m minus 14 is equal to 0. So m value we will get it as 12 or m value is equal to as 14. Now we will from these two values we have to find out the correct value. So m is equal to 12. We will take the coefficient of x squared. See, if I take the coefficient of x squared, here it is m minus 12 into x squared. Now, if m value I put 12, 12 minus 12 into x. This will give you 0x squared. So, when m value is equal to 12, it is not a quadratic equation because coefficient of x squared cannot be 0. Then the equation is not a quadratic equation. So, when m value is equal to 12, the equation is not a quadratic equation. Not a quadratic equation. Therefore, the other value, that is C, m minus 14. So, m minus 12 it is coefficient. So, m value is 14. 14 minus 12 will give you 2, 2x squared. So, it forms a quadratic equation. Therefore, we can say that m is equal to 14. This is the solution. Now we'll take the next question, that is question number 9. This is also star mark question. So star mark questions are very important, children. So revise it properly. The sum of two roots of a quadratic equation is given as 5 and sum of their cube is 35. Find the quadratic equation using the formula. Now it is given sum of the two roots. So let us take, so two roots means alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the two roots. Are the two roots here. Two roots of the quadratic equation. So sum of the roots of the quadratic equation is 5. That means alpha plus beta is equal to 5. This is given. Next. And sum of their cube is 35. That means alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to as 35. This is also given. Now, we got the sum of the roots. Now, we have to get product of the roots. Then only we can form the equation. So, to get the product of the roots, we will solve this. Now, we know that formula a cube plus b cube is equal to as a plus b the whole raised to cube minus 3ab into a plus b. We have got this formula in this form. So, now I will put it in the form of alpha beta. So, it is alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta in the whole raised to cube minus 3ab that is alpha beta into alpha plus beta in this way. So I will write this in this form. This part I will write here, that I will take that side. Alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Now we have got the values alpha plus beta is equal to as 5. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to as 35. So this you put it as 1 and this you give it as 2. So from 1 and 2 we'll put the values here. So alpha plus beta is 5. 5 cube minus 3 into alpha into beta. We do not have this value. Alpha beta into alpha plus beta again 5 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to as 35. This all we got it from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Now solve this. 5 cube is 125 minus 3 5 is 15 alpha beta is equal to as 35. Now the thing is that I will transfer this 125 that side. So minus 15 alpha beta is equal to as 35 minus 125. So minus 15 alpha beta is equal to, if I minus this, I will get the sign of the greater number. 5 minus 5 is 0. 12 minus 3 is 9. So I got it as 9. Both the side we have got negative. So we can change the sign. Cancel it now. 15 alpha beta is equal to as 90. So alpha into beta is equal to 90 by 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 six is 90. So we got value alpha into beta is equal to as value as 6. Now we have to form the quadratic equation. So the equation is formula of the equation is x squared minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now we got all the values. So take this as 3, number 3. So put the values from 1 and 3. So we got x squared minus alpha plus beta is value 5 into x plus alpha into beta equal to 6. This is equal to 0. We got it from 1 and 3. From 1 and 3. Now, therefore the quadratic equation is, quadratic equation is, that is x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So this is the solution.